By day, Lake Tekapo shines turquoise. After dark, the Milky Way rises above a small stone church. This is Lake Tekapo, New Zealand. This is Hosanna Ho's Vlog, a travel podcast. The road crosses golden hills, and the lake first appears between the trees. The anticipation of travel often lives in this moment. Before you arrive, that distant blue has already shown you the way. From the air, Tekapo is not simply a flat field of blue, but a long valley held beneath the Southern Alps. Sunlight meets fine mineral particles suspended in the water and scatters into its milky turquoise color. The lake is quiet, yet the mountains and water reveal the wonder and order of the Creator's work. As the camera passes over the river and township, the scale of human life becomes clear. Roads, houses, bridges, and even a speeding boat appear small. Tekapo is compelling not because nature becomes our background, but because everyday life is willing to step back. At the rocky shore, the drone circles a traveler beside the lake. One person stands on a boulder before an almost endless blue. The best portrait here does not make us larger. It reminds us how small we are beneath the mountains, water, and sky. Closer to the ground, the lake becomes something different. Stones line the shore, and the shallows are clear enough to reveal the bottom. Farther out, the turquoise gradually deepens. Wind, footsteps, and ripples bring this immense landscape back to a scale we can touch. The Church of the Good Shepherd was built in 1935 by farming families of the Mackenzie country, in memory of those who lived on this land before them. Its rugged stone walls and low roof belong naturally beside the lake and mountains. It is not grand, but it stands like a light in the wilderness. The sun moves toward the ridge, and the lake slowly changes from bright turquoise to silver gray. The drone crosses the township and valley as shadows gather the details of the day. Tekapo's most beautiful transition needs no visual effect. It only asks us to wait for the light to change. The last light slips behind the mountains, leaving the church and peaks in silhouette. Voices grow quieter and unnecessary lights are kept low. The landscape of daytime closes, while the second world that made Tekapo famous begins to open. This is part of the Aoraki-Mackenzie International Dark Sky Reserve. What people protect here is not one particular star, but darkness itself. By limiting unnecessary light and allowing our eyes to adjust, constellations hidden by city glow return one layer at a time. Look up, and this is more than a sky full of stars. The bright band of the Milky Way crosses overhead, while dark dust divides countless points of light. The Church of the Good Shepherd rests at the bottom of the frame, a small stone landmark beneath the vastness of God's creation. Perhaps the deepest moment in travel is simply to sit quietly before creation, remember how small we are, and learn to look up again. This is Hosanna Ho's Vlog. Subscribe and I will see you on the next journey.